Okay, last problem on the review. Problem 15. Mr. Summers loves Dr. Pepper. He bought some 12 packs of Dr. Pepper at the grocery store last week. Then, his friend gave him 5 additional cans. If Mr. Summers has a total of 41 cans of Dr. Pepper in his refrigerator, and R is the number of 12 packs he bought, which of the following equations best represents this situation? Again, I'm going to recommend that a problem like this, you write your own equation from the word problem, and then look for the answer choice that has an equation that's equivalent to your equation. So let's start by looking at what happened here. Mr. Summers loves Dr. Pepper. He bought some 12 packs of Dr. Pepper at the grocery store last week. Some 12 packs, we don't know how many. But R is the number of 12 packs he bought. So if he bought one 12 pack, he'd have 12 cans. If he bought two 12 packs, he'd have 24. So we're going to multiply 12 times R, the number he bought. 12R would represent the number of cans he would get from the 12 packs he bought. But his friend gave him 5 additional cans, so 5 additional would be plus 5. That amount, the amount that he got from the 12 packs plus the 5 additional from his friend would equal the total, which they tell us is 41 cans. So we're looking for an equation that looks like this: 12R plus 5 equals 41. And actually, answer choice A is exactly the same equation: 12R plus 5 equals 41. In the answer, we always want to look at all the answer choices, though. Answer choice B looks like one 12 pack plus 5 times, his friend gave him 5 additional cans, not 5 times some number of cans. So that's wrong. This problem, answer choice C, we're adding the 5 additional cans to 12 and then multiplying that by the number of 12 packs, so that's not correct. And then answer choice D, 12 times R plus 5, the number of 12 packs plus 5. His friend didn't give him 5 12 packs, his friend gave him 5 additional cans, so D is not right. Answer choice A is the correct answer. Okay, here's your chance to win a golden ticket. I want you to fill in all of these squares with numbers. Now the squares don't have to have the same numbers in them. You could have 12 here, 5 here, and 120 here. As long as each square has a number in it, they could be the same numbers or different numbers, but there's a numerical value in each square. In the circle, you can put a variable. You could put Z or P or F or any variable you want to use in the circle. Once you fill in the squares in the circle, then write a word problem that represents your equation. Or you can write a word problem first and then, you could go back and forth, but basically I want an equation and a word problem that matches. A matching equation and word problem, and fill in the squares with numbers and the circle with a variable. The first person to bring me a matching word problem and equation that's correct wins a golden ticket. Now if you're the first one to bring me a matching word problem and equation, it's not quite correct, I'll still get you 10 regular tickets. Or if you're not the first to bring it to me, I'll still get you 10 tickets. But the first person to bring me a correct matching word problem and equation following these directions will win a golden ticket. And I'll probably use that word problem and equation with future classes. So make it a good one, be original, and that does it for the review. So hopefully you're all looking at that this weekend and once again before the test. Okay, good luck on the test. I know you're going to do great.